We may not have a cent to pay the rent, but we're gonna make it. We may have to eat beans every day, but we're gonna make it. And if a job is hard to find, and we have to stand in the welfare line, I've got your love and I know you got mine, and we're gonna make it.
We may not have a home to call our own, but we're gonna make it. I know we will. We may have to fight hardships alone. We're gonna make it. I know we will. 'Cause togetherness brings peace of mind. We can't stay down all of the time. I've got your love and you know you got mine, and we're gonna make it. I know we will.
The car may be old, our 2 rooms cold, but we're gonna make it.
We're gonna make it. You know we can't spare a roach a crumb, but we're gonna make it. I know we will. And if I have to carry around a sign that says help the deaf, the dumb, and the blind,
I've got your love,
you know you got mine. We're gonna make it. I know we will. We may not have a home just to call our own, but we're gonna make it.